Welcome to Inspire Civils. Today we will discuss about postmodernism. Postmodernism in anthropology marks a significant departure from traditional approaches, emerging in the 1970s and 1980s as scholars began to critically evaluate the foundations of classical anthropology. This movement arose from the realization that culture is not merely an observable phenomenon, but a complex interplay of interpretations shaped by diverse social contexts. Unlike their predecessors who attempted to remain objective observers, postmodern anthropologists assert that their social identities and backgrounds significantly influence how they perceive and portray the cultures they study. At the heart of postmodern anthropology lies the critique of objectivity. This perspective challenges the notion that anthropologists can deliver an unbiased scientific account of cultures. Instead, it posits that each researcher brings their own experiences, assumptions, and biases into the fieldwork process, thereby shaping the narrative constructed about the society in question. The goal is not to eliminate these influences but to acknowledge and understand them, fostering a deeper, more nuanced interpretation of cultural realities. Another essential idea in postmodern thought is the understanding of culture as a constructed reality rather than a static system. It acknowledges that cultural meanings are fluid and constantly negotiated through interactions among individuals, emphasizing the role of language, symbols, and power dynamics. This approach allows for the recognition of diverse perspectives within cultures, challenging the traditional anthropological focus that often sidelined local voices in favor of authoritative interpretations by scholars. Moreover, postmodernism rejects grand narratives or universal theories seeking to explain all human societies through a singular lens. It calls into question broad explanations based on linear evolution or modernization, advocating for a more tailored understanding that respects the unique complexities of each cultural context. Significantly, it also promotes the inclusion of multiple voices, seeking to represent the experiences and interpretations of the subjects being studied, thereby shifting the ethnographic gaze from the anthropologist's authority to the lived realities of communities. In this reflective endeavor, anthropologists are urged to examine their roles and the implications their narratives may carry. Prominent thinkers like Clifford Geertz and Michel Foucault have underscored the interpretive nature of anthropological writing and the intricate relationship between knowledge and power, respectively. The significance of postmodernism lies in promoting self criticism and inclusivity, enabling anthropologists to appreciate the intricate fabric of cultures they study. While it invites debates around relativism, it ultimately enriches the discipline by highlighting the multiplicity of human experiences.